Hello word nerds. So this is the next to last roots video for this year. So we have this one, and then we have one more set, and then we have our final roots quiz for the year. How exciting is that? Okay, so with these roots this week, they're both kind of like boxy. There's actually quite a few of them because there's some easier ones in here. You can see that this one is flippy. So we are going to flip them out and then snip a couple times. Like this. Other one's a little more challenging. This one right here, we're going to not cut through. You're going to put glue on each side, left and right, and then you're going to cut, snip. So, watch. So you don't come up to me and ask me how to do it. So, glue on the left, glue on the right. Actually, technically, I flip-flopped the directions. This was the left and the other one was right. Okay. And then we're going to glue it to the page. Once it's secure, that's when we're going to snip on through the middle. And then we're going to clip here. Oop, that's a little off, but it's okay. And then this one right here. Alright, so we've got them all together. Alright, if we look at this side first, we have EN as the first one. And EN means cause to. This is not as easy of a normal root necessarily, this one, at least the way you see it. And then we're going to look into the meaning. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust the focus. There we go. So cause to. So some examples of that are like the word enforce. So causing to force something, that's what the police do. They are trying to force, but they cause the force. Enlighten. So enlighten means to make somebody aware of something usually. Like whether it's information or making sure they're not ignorant about something. So you cause them to see the light. We have encourage. We cause someone to feel courage. Or enjoy. We cause somebody to feel joy. Or cause yourself to feel joy. Cause to. So if you enjoy soda, the soda causes you to feel joy. Alright, we also have add, AD. And that one means to or toward. To or toward. So you have the word advance. So advancing. Oh, man. So if you advance in your MasterCards for math, then that means that you are making your way towards the ending. Actually, I'm thinking vance is probably related to the word vantage, and vantage is like the top of something, sort of. We also have a couple of good ones in here. So we have admire. So that means that you are looking up towards somebody. You look up to them. You have addict or addict. So an addict is somebody that feels particularly strongly. Oh man, this is driving me crazy. Okay. So an addict is somebody that is specifically moving towards something they care a lot about. Now we know this one right here, this root, means to say. So actually, like, I'm not really sure how the, okay, this focus is driving me crazy. I'm actually not sure how those two tie in together. I've never really thought about that. So I'm going to do a little more deeper thinking to think about how it means to or toward and what you say. So maybe it's just, sorry guys. This is really annoying to you, I'm sure. We also have adjacent. Or actually, adjunct. So, if we look at, oh wait, maybe we didn't do junct, did we? For some reason I thought we had, I'm going back through and looking, but, oh, we had ject, not junked. That's right. Okay. We do know the word junct is in conjunctions, where things are joining together. And so adjunct is toward joining something. So I know this word the best through, like in college they have something called adjunct professors. And the adjunct professors are not like the normal professors. They don't quite work all the way at the college, but they're moving towards joining. They're towards joining. All right, we have Ambi, A-M-B-I, which means both or two. Oh, sorry, T-W-O. Actually, change the way this looks. This is going to be a long video, but just because I keep adjusting the, the focus on the camera, wasting a lot of our time. So, like the word ambidextrous, is a word that refers to people who are able to use both sides of their body, usually like their hands, equally. So you're not left-handed or right-handed. You actually can use both equally. That does not describe very many people. It is a very rare circumstance. Like, I can grab something with both hands, but usually you can tell if somebody's ambidextrous if they are able to write with both hands equally. That's usually when they're considered ambidextrous. If your handwriting looks exactly the same from left and right. Ambivalent is a good word, because ambivalent means that you don't really care about something. It's like, okay, I'm fine with both. I'm fine with two. Like, if Miss Jordan's like, how do you feel about students playing Scratch during recess? I'm like, I'm ambivalent. That means I'm fine with them doing it, or I'm fine with them out doing it. So I'm okay with both. Ambiguous is a word that usually means like something that's a little unclear. It's a little mysterious. So that mean that you have more than one possibility going on. And I think that's what I'm going to stick with. Just those three words. I think those are pretty good ones. There are a couple more that I could put on there, but they're similar. So we're just going to have to accept blurriness.